Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another wig video and I'm going to be working with Wiggins hair today. I have worked with them in the past, but they sent me over a new wig to try out. And so here is the wig right here. Again, it is a 6x6 lace closure. This is the water wave texture and this curl pattern is so pretty. And it's in 22 inches, so it's pretty long. Again, this is the fake scalp wig. And if you guys aren't familiar with the fake scalp wigs, basically it's two pieces of lace sewn together with a piece of material in between the lace, and it's supposed to give you the illusion of a scalp, and it cuts out having to bleach your knots. You don't have to do the ball cap method. It cuts out all of that extra customizing that you would normally have to do when you get a lace wig. Here is what the scalp looks like. So again, I haven't done anything to this scalp. Here's what it looks like. They also bleach the knots on the closure. So yeah, you don't have to do any of that extra work. They also now have the option where you can get a band sewn into your wig. So this wig is pretty much ready to be worn once it comes out of the pack. I did go ahead and wash the wig because I just prefer to wash my hair before installing it. The only thing I can see potentially being an issue, you are not allowed, you can't choose the scalp color. It comes in just like a standard color and everyone doesn't have the same color scalp. Additionally, it still has like about an inch of just like regular lace before the fake scalp part starts, and so there's a like stitch, I guess, from stitching the fabric. It's like that white line clear thread that they use, so it's kind of like a line of demarcation where you can see where like the fake scalp starts compared to just like the regular lace. So yeah, but yeah, we're just gonna get this installed. Because it still has like that regular piece of lace right here, I'm just going to take some bronzer just to make sure that my lace matches my skin tones, and I'm just gonna run that along this lace here. All right, so I have my wig cap and everything on, so now I'm just going to apply this wig. All right, so these little wig cap band things are dud. They do not stay clipped on, so I'm just gonna take them off. It does come with an adjustable band in the back, so I'm just going to use that instead. So I'm going to take my lustrous slick stick, which I use on my closures all the time, or frontals all the time, my part together. It's going to take my hot comb. All right, you guys, so I'm here with the final look and then my final thoughts on this unit. So again, this wig is from Wiggins Hair. It is a 6x6 fake scalp closure. It's in the texture water wave, 22 inches and 180 density. All in all, I love the texture of this wig. I do like the final look of it. Overall, I give it about an 8 out of 10. So first of all, these were completely unnecessary. I think it's like an extra $3 if you want to have like the band strapped into your, sewed into your wig. I say skip it. These things would not stay hooked. Every time I tried to put my wig on, it would come unhooked, so it was just kind of pointless. So the second thing, usually I can get my lace closure wigs installed pretty quickly without any adhesive. The construction on this wig was a little off in my opinion. For the most part, the entire wig fits, it's snug, but like I mentioned before, it has like that 1-inch layer of just traditional lace, and that little 1 inch was very flappy. It did not lay flat to my head. It definitely bubbled and it was just really loose. So I ended up having to go in with some of my frizz spray to secure it, which defeats the purpose of wearing a lace closure wig in my opinion, because again, I wear lace closure wigs so that I don't have to have any adhesive. I didn't have to add a lot of the frizz spray, but it will definitely not lay taut and flat without using some type of adhesive to keep it in place. But as far as like the fake scalp goes and the color, it looks decent to me. It's like, it's not bad. If you are a deeper tone, you may just have to go over it with a slightly darker powder, but for the most part, the fake scalp does blend in natural with, or at least with my skin tone. Other than that, I do love this wig. I think this is a beautiful summer wig. The texture of this unit is really nice. I usually kind of wet down my wavier curly wigs, but this one, I didn't put any mousse or anything on it because I like this kind of full fluffy look. Let me give you guys a full 360 of the wig. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to check out Wiggins Hair. I will have all the details on this unit in the description box. I'll also have a code for you guys to use to get a little change off. So yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not following me already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.